Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Once there, go to Privacy and Security to access search and activity controls. If you use a Google account, Sign and Now so changes sync across devices. You're starting with the controls you need. Do not wander into extensions yet. Make sure you find Search Engine and Site Settings as the next places to check once you finish here. You'll now disable the features that surface trending searches. Navigate to Search Engine and Manage Search Engines to remove third-party defaults that inject suggestions and open autocomplete settings to turn off query suggestions. If you don't see options, visit Chrome//flags and search flags for autocomplete or Omnibox features and set them to disabled. Relaunch Chrome. Next, clear browsing data, cached images, cookies, and autofill form data to remove locally stored suggestions. Once done, restart the browser. You finish by restarting Chrome and testing the Omnibox in an incognito window to confirm trending suggestions are gone. If suggestions persist, disable extensions one by one or reset Chrome settings to defaults to isolate the culprit. Make sure to sign out and, if necessary, opt out of web and app activity in your Google account so server-side suggestions stop syncing back. If that still fails, create a new Chrome profile. This isolates profile-specific data and usually resolves stubborn suggestion issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.